And Michelle, today we're going to work with sound games. And this is our basket for sound games, okay? I'm going to find some objects for us to work with. And Michelle, I have something in my hand that starts with a sound K.
Coin.
Coin. This is coin. I'm going to put the coin here. And I have something in my hand that starts with a sound W.
Wagon.
Wagon. Wagon starts with a sound W. Wagon.
You can also say cart.
You could also say cart. You're right. This one's a wagon. We're going to call it wagon. And I have something in my hand that starts with the sound D.
Drum.
Drum. Drum starts with the sound D. Drum. D. And I have something in my hand that starts with the sound Ah. Ah.
Octopus.
Octopus. Octopus starts with the sound Ah. I'm going to put octopus here. And Michelle, we're going to put these objects back in the basket. Can you show me how you put them one at a time back inside our basket? And I'm going to listen and see if you can do it very quietly. I'm going to hear it. I'm going to see if I can hear any noise. Thank you. And Michelle, you can invite an older friend to work with this material anytime that you like.